put away my jump to happen. Now we're going to jump class.
I'll film something for my trip.
I was filming outside. That is cool. Very cool. Behind the scenes. It's a camera filming a camera. Oh, you want to play that game? Oh.
Your attention, please. In the interest of aviation security, all passengers must control their bags and packages at all times. In order to prevent someone from placing dangerous items in your baggage, do not leave your bags unattended, and do not accept items from unknown persons to carry onto the aircraft. All checked and carry-on baggage is subject to search.
First ever Southwest flight. Because we don't fly LCCs. Because we don't fly LCCs. Isn't that Dakota guy coming?
On to LaGuardia and then on to Houston. My name is Marsha. I'm going to be your operations agent here today. Southwest Airlines has an open seating policy. Once on board that aircraft, you may choose any available open seat. Per FAA regulations, carry-on items are restricted to one item that fits in the overhead bin, one item that fits under the seat in front of you. Handbags and extra items are included in this, so if you do have more than this, please consolidate at this time. If you do have a stroller, car seat, walker, any other larger item that will not fit the overhead bin space, those items do need to be checked over here to my left at the customer service desk. Please pull out your boarding pass, take a look, make sure you see an ABRC. If you do not, that is a security document, and you do need to pay a visit over at the customer service desk.
Watch out, I'm before you, so let me just skate.
Boarding groups, A, B, C, and always in numerical order. There are numbers on these columns. Above your head to help you up numerical order, so you know where to stand. When we do begin the boarding pass,
She's gonna go down with them. We'll go underneath here.
alright, it's done.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Sorry.
Have fun, you guys.
Thank you.
I want to get some straw.
Let's get our seats first, and then we'll go into the cockpit.
One second.
That's all I know. Hey guys, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
We're not trying to rush you guys, but seriously, hurry up. We want to get out of here and head to Chicago. Once again, it's going to be a full flight. Every seat's going to be taken. Open seating. Pick any open seat. Remember, those center seats are the most comfortable seats on board the aircraft. Find an empty one, sit down. Let's get you out of here.
Flight number 3033 with service to Chicago Midway. Shortly after takeoff, we'll be serving you complimentary soft drinks, juice, and coffee. Alcoholic beverages may be purchased with a credit card. We also accept valid coupons. They must have expiration dates on them for them to be valid. Feel free to connect to the onboard wireless internet system right now. Instructions on how to connect can be found in the service page of your Southwest magazine. Shortly after takeoff, and also feel free to leave on all electronic devices. They may be out during all phases of flight. They just have to be in airplane mode once I've shut the forward entry door. Any heavy electronics 2,000 more must be stowed away for takeoff and landing. Now, if you're joining us in the emergency exit row today, please review the operating instructions for this Boeing 737-700. It's all located on that safety information card in your seat back pocket nearest you. If you are unable to perform the selection criteria on that card or believe that performing those functions may cause you harm, please let us know so that we can receive you. Otherwise, if you push back from this gate, we're going to need everyone in the seat to fasten those seatbelts, raise those seat back and tray tables to their full upright and locked positions. Make sure all those carrying items are put stowed underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin compartment, leaving that area around your feet completely clear. Thanks so much for joining us here today at Southwest Airlines, and welcome aboard.
Airlines Flight 3033 non-stop service up to Chicago Midway. I'm sorry, down to Chicago Midway. 15 minutes of flying time, Whiskey Airport, 31,000 feet. Should be a mostly smooth ride. A little breezy right now in the windy city, winds out of the west. Cloudy skies right now. We'll be pushing back a few minutes behind the schedule. We're trying to make up some of that time here in Minneapolis. We do appreciate the quick boarding here. We'll get up to the weather and get information. We'll get a little bit closer to Chicago. Sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. Welcome aboard. In our F cargo door, we have an indicator light. The door is closed, but it's showing open in the cockpit. With that being said, we need to have maintenance come up to verify the door is closed. We're on the process right now on the phone with maintenance control to do that. I'll give you an update here in just a few minutes once we know more. Thank you.
That maintenance personnel take a look at it. In the meantime, forward entry door is open. We do have lavatories on board, one in the front, one in the back. You feel free to leave on your electronic devices off of airplane mode. We will let you know when it's time to turn them back on to airplane mode. Also, Wi-Fi is available right now. You can connect to our Southwest Wi-Fi for free live television, movies, and music. Instructions on how to connect can be found in the service page of your Southwest magazine.
Straight out to the airplane, should be here in the next few minutes. As soon as I speak with our mechanic and get an idea of how quickly he thinks he can remedy the situation, I'll let you know. Again, feel free to use your cell phones. Please remain seated.
We're getting the paperwork finished up and pushing back on our way. Thanks for your patience there. Shouldn't be too much longer. Thank you.
Done. We're pulling the drip pitch rack. We're ready to go. Please double check those seatbelts. Thank you for your patience.
737-700. To fasten those seatbelts, just slide the flight into the buckle like so. To release, lift up on that buckle. Position the seatbelt tight and low, cross your hips, or at any time you're seated. You'll find that we have 6 emergency exits, 2 forward.
Put your camera on my camera.
Yeah. Well, can't you just use
No, because that's a backup for like. Do you think you can put your camera anywhere else?
I'll just take a photo.
this, and then I'm gonna be like, what's going on?
Right now, just 285 miles to Chicago. Flight computer has us touching down here.
That's fast on hills.
Greatest weather in Chicago. It's freezing down there, folks. Winds are still about 15, less than 30 miles an hour. Ladies and gentlemen, I found this encoder in Chicago. Seatbelt signs coming back on. If you're up, please return your seat. Want to double check those seatbelts just about 100 miles from the field. Just be about 30 minutes. Again, latest weather, it's freezing down there. Winds are in the west at about 15, less than 30 miles an hour. Probably going to experience 40 degrees coming in about 14. I apologize for the mechanical Minneapolis wind conditions.
On behalf of the flight crew at Southwest Airlines, welcome to Chicago Midway. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Leave those seat back and tray tables in their full upright and locked positions, and leave all those carry items right where they are for now. Feel free to turn on the cellular function of your phones only if they are within arm's reach. Then as soon as we arrive at the gate, the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Be careful of the overhead bins, as items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. All aircraft doors will be open during ground servicing, so for your safety and the safety of any children you might be supervising, please remain clear of those forward and back doors. We are connecting on another
how much time
Southwest
before
flight
we
here
board?
to check those TV monitors in the gate area.
Hour and a half?
I gotta charge my camera instead.
Certainly been our pleasure sharing part of our day with you guys. We know you have many options when it comes to air travel. We do apologize for the delay. Hope to make it up to you on another Southwest flight. It was all due for your safety and comfort, so we do appreciate your understanding in the matter. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and come see us again real soon.